never saw you. I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Hello my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, is going to get us very cozy. I'm going to start off my decorating series in decorating my master bedroom. I hope you enjoy. Guys, as my overseas friends are preparing for the fall season, here in Australia it is currently winter, so we're definitely getting our cozy on at Chelle's Glam Home.
I know that I will be with you the rest of my life.
Now, after making my bed, I decided to just bring in some really cozy touches. So I started first of all by removing the larger cushions, and I'm going to add these super cozy and soft leopard print ones that my sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann, gifted to me a few years ago from the store Z Gallery. I then added this gorgeous Pottery Barn pumpkin. As I have a TV in my room, I wanted to change the art on the TV. So I just entered fall pumpkin, and there's so many to choose from, guys. I just love looking for these, and I just ended up going with some white because I really love white pumpkins. So now I'm going to decorate the top of my mantle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little gold tray, guys, and place it underneath the TV. And I had a bag of these white little pumpkins that I got from Temu, and I'm going to add some inside.
I'm not there without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Now, rather than hang a garland, I always like to use scarves, guys, when I'm decorating. So what I'm going to do is take this Temu scarf and I'm going to drape it across the front of the mantle. I also have this decorative bow. Now, I love to layer bows, guys, when I'm decorating, and I'm going to place that in the center. Now, on my candelabras, which are on each side of my bedside table, I add these gorgeous little white pumpkins. Now, I picked these up, guys, from Temu last year, and they're one of my decorative pieces that I truly love decorating with for the fall season.
I did a lot of bad things.
Now, I changed out my flower arrangements and added these gorgeous leopard print pumpkins, which I picked up last year from TK Maxx.
Made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose.
So now I'm going to add a little tray to my bed, and I have this rattan tray which is from Spotlight. I'm going to add the Studio McGee book to the top.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in from that.
I'm then going to add a gorgeous rustic vase, which is from Kmart, as well as this little pumpkin trinket box. And I'm also going to add a candle, which is also from Kmart.
'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you...
Now, I also changed out my burgundy wreath for a cream one, which is from 1825 Interiors.
One kiss, many years have gone by.
Now, I have a little gallery wall in my bedroom, and what I'm going to do is just change out 2 of the prints for some pumpkin ones that I found on Etsy.
All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes...
Guys, I absolutely love decorating my home cozy. I love sharing ideas with you, and I hope this gets you inspired for the fall season that is coming up for my overseas friends.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you made sure I'm all you missed. Baby, it took just one kiss.
Guys, I'm so excited to decorate more cozy ideas with you. So I'll have a brand new video on Friday with more cozy decorating inspiration.
Life with no big worries, and I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming.
so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you to get some cozy decorating ideas for your home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back on Friday morning, guys, at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I wanna stay wide